Hello YouTube, guess what came in the mail? Yes, April's box. I was looking forward to this one. I've been really looking forward to this one because the last one wasn't Easter related, so I'm hoping this one will be Easter glory. Right, here we go. April's Elves box. Ooh. Sakura Latte. Okay, that's pretty. All those beautiful pinks. Okay, hashtag the Elves box on Instagram for the creative contest. Yes, that's the word. And again, there's a coupon in here. I might actually manage to spend this one this time since I'm a bit more caught up. Here is what's in the box. There's probably a picture on the other side, but I'm not going to show it because spoilers. Alright, what are we looking for? UV LED crystal gel. Peanuts. Let's get these out first. Peanuts. These are always so pretty. Unfortunately, last time I dropped a couple on the floor and my puppy ran off with one in his mouth and there was a chase. So I'm trying to be a bit more careful with them this time. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Here is our... Is that focusing? Yes, it is. Sophie and Toffee UV LED crystal gel 30 mils. Gel. I bet that's sort of goopier, thicker. Maybe you can, I don't know, build with it. Although I'm not having any trouble building, to be perfectly honest. As long as you've got your little UV lamp in your hand, you can like stretch as you go. So again, beautiful packaging, crystal gel. UV gel in every box. What else? Sophie and Toffee transparent pigment dye. Ah, there it is. Wait, let me shake it. Shake it. Are we in focus? Are we in focus? I swear. Alright. It's pink. It's very pink. It's got little mushrooms. Can you see that? Little mushrooms on the label. How cute is that? It is extremely violently pink. But when you start adding a bit of white, apparently my brain doesn't work today. When you start adding a little bit of white to it, you know, it softens it up. So, and pink's always useful in lots of different things. Number 3, Latte tumbler silicone mold. That must be this. Latte tumbler. Rattly packet alert. Oop, rip that. Alright, this is several bits. That looks to be the lid. How cute is that? There's a little indentation like you get on like the top of a cup that you would buy from a regular coffee shop. I'm a bit naughty and I use a lot of plastics in my hobbies and a lot of paper and stuff, so I tend to I carry my cup around with me, so I never get one of these disposable cups, hardly ever, because I have a cup with me. So there we go. I would recommend it. You always know your cup is clean. This is a half of 3 different sized mugs, cups. There's the other half. This looks like it fits together like this. And then here's the inside part. That's cool. Which goes in there. I wonder how you fill it. There's no hole. I guess you just have to gauge how much to put in and then slide these in on top. That's going to be fun. And then lids to go with it. So cute. What else have we got? Miniature Sakura silicone mold. It's a miniature one. We all know how I love miniature things. I'm not miniature myself, so. Rattly packet. Oh, those are cute. Can we see them? Hold on a second. There you go. Can you see those better? Those are adorable. All different sort of sizes too. And it looks like an inside and an outside. Sort of. I'm wondering, do they fit together? This one's got a channel. Can you see that? There's like a channel. Are we focusing? These little ones are so cool, but oh, there we go. But sometimes they don't focus. So that looks to be a little channel here. I wonder if you fill them and then you shove them in, or Do you shove them in and then fill them? Anyway, I might have to have an experiment with that. Sometimes these things that are more faffy, I'll tell you what I end up doing. I'll get the same effect. I'll end up putting the stuff in there and then just putting my finger on it, flipping it over. I'm sad, but that's life. Okay. Dreamy Sakura pink glitters. That has to be this. Oh, they weren't kidding, were they? Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, I've got to tip them out. Oh, look at the back. How cute. All the wrapping's always so pretty. Okay, let me tip them out so we can get a better look. She says, trying to get... Ta-da! All right, what we got? We've got little stars and little hearts in sort of cutesy-tootsy, like, shades. There's white and they're a bit iridescent. Some of them have got the middles of the hearts. It's not just these outside ones. There's some little middles in there as well. And then, oh, little stars. Oh, gorgeous. What else have we got? We've got little stars that are a cutout star. Little cutout stars. So cute. And what are you? Oh, there was one of these on the thing, wasn't there? There we go. Little sort of petals. Petals. So pretty. And I don't know what you are. Oh, this is just like Estrella, like, you know, just like little strips. There's no actual, just flakes. There's no actual shape to them, if you know what I mean. And not a specific shape. Non-specifically ripped up sort of Estrella. I don't know why I call that Estrella. I think I've heard it called Estrella somewhere. All right, these are little lines. Gosh, that's hard to focus. Like little strips. Your bog standard white glitter. White glitter. More stars. These ones are sort of fatter. They're not the same as those other ones. Wait. So these were the first stars. They're sort of spiky. And they're a 5-point. And these are like, I don't know, they're like flowers more than stars, I suppose. Maybe they're supposed to be flowers. They're so cute, though. They're like little fat stars. Little fat baby stars. Oops, sorry, guys. Hearts, of course. Can't have pink without some hearts. Oh, this is so cute. Everything in here is pink and cute and girly. I feel like a 9-year-old girl. These are pearls, and I don't know if you can see the colour very well on there, but they're sort of a very soft pinkish coral and some white ones in there. So cute. How many times have I said cute? Good lord. This is multicoloured, well, what the British call hundreds and thousands. Like the sprinkles that you put on a cake, but multicoloured and all sort of pastel colours. There's purples and yellows in there, but they're all pastel. And these are half, oh, they're gems. Okay, so they're half gems. No, I was going to say pearls, but they're not. They're gems. Maybe this works better. So sweet. There, I changed it from cute to sweet. Okay, so that was the glitters. 12 in all. The pack was filled, so I'm presuming there was 12. And confetti ×3. Maybe in here. Ta-da! Again, look at the lovely wrapping. So pretty. I'm using these bags, by the way, guys. I'm using them for different storage items. One day I'll show you my resin storage and you'll see I'm using them for things because they're quite sturdy and they've got the little zip on the top. I hate to waste them. It's not like it didn't come in plastic anyway, so I'm going to try and use the plastic that I get. These are all the same, except for they are varying shades. Let me close that one before it goes mental and throws itself everywhere. Varying shades, they're all the same shape. You can see the shape better on this one. And they're varying shades, and they're showing up a bit lighter on camera, but they're actually, this one's sort of a paler pink, this one's more of a hot pink, and this is a baby pink, or, you know, bubblegum pink if you like. Where are we? Confetti. Gosh, there's a lot in this box. I guess it's because I showed everything individually. Sakura pink keychain for that. Oh my goodness. Rattly packet again. Where is it? There it is. Oh, guys. Gosh, you wouldn't even have to do anything with that. You could just have it as is. But, you know, it's tempting to put some glitter or bits. It's actually coated on the back with a flower. I wonder if that peels off or something. Anyway, it would be tempting for me to take this off of there and do something on it, like a blank, you know. But, I mean, ostensibly, you could just hang it like that. I mean, it's hearts and flowers. Good grief, people. Does it get any more adorable? What else have we got? Gold and silver. Sakura gold, silver snap ×2. Snap ×2. I guess this is snap. This is one of those. It's like the cat one that I tried to open with its tail last week. There we go. Sakura little. It's twizzly. They twirl. What do you call them? I guess as a keychain blank, you could maybe use it for your name badge for work or something like that. If you have to wear a name badge, hang it on a lanyard. I could find numerous uses for that. And then we've got Sakura theme metal deco foils. I want to say it's these. I've not had these before. Has anybody had these? Oh, they're very lightweight. Oh, but so sweet. Stretch them out so we can see them. It's just one falling leaf. Okay, can we saw those? Oh, that one ran away. Boing, don't run away. Okay, so we've got the one just like a little flower. That's better. Open flower. We've got a leaf, a petal, I suppose. We've got a grouping. That one really doesn't want to play. It's like a grouping of flowers. There we go. So pretty. And some hearts, which has also got flowers underneath. So cute. Lord knows what you do with them. Dum. Oh, well, I think I might have found out what you do with them. Sakura open bezel hair stick. ×2. Oh, those are nice. So, I see little hoops here to dangle stuff off of. Maybe this is the stuff you dangle. That would be cute. Okay, these I'm definitely going to make because I don't know if you don't know because you never see my face, but my hair's long and I'm always looking for something to keep it organized because it's long and it's curly. It's the worst of both worlds. Actually, though, short and curly is worse. Sakura theme clear resin film. Here we go. What are you? Come on. Okay, this is really clear. So hold on a minute. Oh, duh. Let's just move the box. There we go. Can you see those better on this white surface? So pretty. Sorry about the glare there. For some reason, light is misbehaving today in my craft room. I'm all out of sorts. People, I'm all out of sorts. Jolly well good. There we go. Those are gorgeous. I mean, I can really, you know, see some necklaces coming to the forefront. And, my dears, that is it. I say that is it. Oh, well, there were these. I think these probably go in the same as this because they weren't mentioned separately, but I think they go together with these. But anyway, glitzy bitsies, so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous little bits as usual. They never disappoint. Do I say that every time? They never disappoint. But just they don't. I mean, it's always little bits that you'll use. Let's face it, it's always little what have yous and wherefore haves. I will always use all of this. Like I said before, though, whether or not I use it for what they think I should use it for, that might be different. I'm looking forward to trying this out. I haven't tried a gel before. We'll give that a go. If you've got your box or if you haven't got your box, let me know down below. If this is the first one of these that you've watched, there are a few more on my channel. Go and have a peek. If you've joined newly today, welcome. I will be doing different things. I say that every week, but I never get around to it. I actually started this channel to do more homemade cosmetics and little bits and bobs like that. So there'll be other stuff coming. I don't just open boxes and waffle for hours on end. Well, I do waffle for hours on end, but that's life. So join in, chat in the comments. Everybody's chatting and what have you. It just makes my life just worthwhile. Thank you for those that have subscribed, and welcome. And I think we're building a nice little group with all the little chats in the bottom there. We can talk about whether or not we got our boxes, and some people are talking about what they made with them. I told you I can't talk today. So anyway, welcome. Here's April's. I promise I'll try and actually make something with it. Love you all. Bye.